Well, okay, this next video is on how to share files in the VLE by copying and pasting links. But what I thought I would do is show you a little bit about how you use OneDrive and how you upload files to OneDrive and how you link OneDrive to your own account. So let's get started. I'm going to go to OneDrive. Let's just search for it first. Here it is here. And because I've been on it, it automatically recognizes who I am. So here I am online in the cloud. I've not done anything with it since the last video. I've got these two folders already set up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create some folders within this account and start uploading some files in here, ready to upload them, ready to link them to the VLE. Now, why would you want to use OneDrive? Well, the most obvious thing is that you have your files and folders whenever you need them. So as long as you've got an internet connection at home, you can access your files on OneDrive. So here's how we set up some folders. I'm going to go into Documents just by clicking singly. And if I go to the down arrow by Create, you can see I can select a folder. I can also actually make some documents online, and in a later video we might go through that. But I'm going to make a folder and I'm just going to call this one Firefly Files and press Create. So I've now got a folder called Firefly Files. I'm going to create another folder and I'm going to call this Digital Leaders, because I've got some files I'm going to upload from there. So there are my two files. I'm going to go back by clicking on here, and I'm going to go to my pictures area, and I know that I've got a folder in my pictures area, and I'm just going to call it Other. So I've set up some folders in my OneDrive account, and you can see it recognizes how many folders you've got. Again, there's still nothing in there. So let's go and add some stuff to the folder as well. If I click on Firefly Files to go into the folder, you can see up here there's an upload feature. And if I click on the down arrow, what's really great is I can upload simply files, or I can upload whole folders. And what's more, I can actually upload more than one file at a time. Now I've got some files on my laptop that I'm going to go and upload, so let me show you first of all how we do that. So I click on Files, and the computer takes you to your Documents area. This is my MacBook, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to go to Demo, and here are the files that I've got. You can see I've got some folders here. I've also got some other files. So I'm going to upload these files. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm in a particular view here. Your view may be different. But what I do is for my MacBook, I press down Command and allows me to select more than one file. I think in Windows it's Control. So once I've selected those 4 files, I click on Open, and you can see here they go. They're now in the process of being uploaded. It tells me when they're done. This last one's a bit longer, and you can see there they are. And I quite like the view that they're in, and also you get a little thumbnail picture of what they look like. All done. You can change that view if you want to a slightly more dull view. I prefer that view. So those are some files in my Firefly, but what about uploading a folder? Well, let's give it a go. Click Upload, click Folder, and I'm going to upload this. Select it and press Upload, and there we go. How cool is that? So as long as you've got your work better managed than I have and they're in folders, you can bulk upload resources through folders. That's done. There appear to be 5 files inside there. Let's have a look. Indeed there are. Awesome. Okay, let's do a few more. Let's go back to Documents, and let's go to Digital Leaders. I've got, I think, 1 file to upload, so click on Files. And I just want this one. It's a PDF. Click on it, press Open, and up it goes. I think I can double click as well. And then finally I've got some images. Notice that actually I can just go on and do this without waiting for it to upload. So Pictures, I'm going to go to Upload, Folder, school logos, I'm going to upload that whole folder. Just press upload. There we go. And then let's go into other and upload and files. And I'm going to upload some of these pictures. Again, for me, it's Command. For you, if you're on Windows, it's Control. And click Open. And there we go. They're in the process of being uploaded. All done. And what I quite like is you can see the picture as well. Nice big thumbnails. And if I click on picture, it shows you the last one that's updated. That kind of looks a really good layout and design. Very user-friendly and something that I do with the students too. There's the bell in the background. I have got a cover lesson to go to. So let's just end by saying I've uploaded the files into my OneDrive. Here they are all here. In the next session, if I click on this little tick box, we'll start to explore the shade and the share and the embed features too. But that's it for now. Signing off.